Hi guys, my name is Nick Cordellini from Bill Jacobs BMW, one of the BMW Geniuses. Here today, I'm here to show you the BMW SOS button, or also referred to as the BMW Assist button, located on the headliner of your BMW. The SOS button is commonly covered by a hard plastic cover. Simply push in, let the cover fall, and the BMW Assist button is located directly behind that. Your BMW Assist can help you with the following features. Number one is police, fire, and emergency services. In the event of a medical emergency or a crash, the system will automatically activate itself. BMW roadside assistance, customer service, and service request is also a part of these services throughout the warranty period of your new BMW. For more information regarding BMW Assist, contact myself at Bill Jacobs BMW, or simply click the SOS button on your BMW to be contacted by a BMW Assist representative who can further assist you with more information. My name is Nick Cordellini for Bill Jacobs BMW. Thanks for watching.